Here is a gorgeous 4-bedroom house, 4-bath and a half, built by one of the great local builders for decades here, 3-car garage. It's up in the Concord area where Niblock Homes is pretty well famous. You can see this large lot. It's 0.98 acres, just shy of an acre. That beautiful screen porch on the back, crawl space. Man, this is gorgeous stuff. Priced just under $900. Guys, give me a call. Let's go see this. I can have one of my team members out probably today, within 24 hours, to get you in with a FaceTime, walking you through, or if you're here locally, we'd love to get you into it. And maybe we could get a good price for your house as well. I'm sure we could. Now, right up in front as you come in, you've got a study right off the front. So if you're a work from home person, or maybe that's where you would throw a treadmill or some other type of office type space. But realize there are 2 bedrooms on the main level, the primary suite and a second suite on the main level with 2.5 baths. So you've got a powder room for casual use like this one. And then you've got ensuite and dedicated. So coffer ceiling, big, wide, those big wall of glass doors, built-ins, already there at the fireplace, those little transom windows above, looking out to the outside, outside in, inside out. Wow, guys, white cabinets. This is gorgeous. Let's help you with this house. It's in the Beach Bluff subdivision of Concord, North Carolina, up on the northeast side of town. If your kids are in the Cox Mill High School, or maybe the Harold Winkler Middle or Cox Mill Elementary School, or your grandkids, this could be a perfect spot for you. I'd love to help you. Niblock Homes has such a great reputation in the greater Charlotte area. So for instance, you take that sheet mirror out and you put up a nice framed mirror to decorate it. Oh, there's so many things you could do. It's just about move-in ready. And then you go upstairs, and what do you have? 2 more bedrooms and 2 more full baths on the upstairs. So you've got over 2,000 square feet on the main level. So think of that as a 2,000 square foot ranch. But then you've got about another almost 1,200 square feet up, 1,178 square feet up. And again, change out the mirrors, whatever. Man, this is great. I would love to get you into this. And we'd love to tell you what the value is of your current home in the greater Charlotte area on either side of the North Carolina, South Carolina line. My team, we are licensed on both states, and look at that. See, that's where I'm going to be spending a lot of time, right out there. And then you could build out your patio, pavers, and all that in the rear. 704-345-3400. I can't wait to help you.